My name is Carly, and today I'm going to talk about some display principles I use to create my infographic. My topic is on suicide statistics because it's a serious issue we face. In this infographic, I used focal point, rule of third, similarity and anomaly, and color scheme design principles to create my infographic. To grab the attention of my readers, I used focal points. The two main points I wanted were designed into focal points like the clock on the top left corner and the child dead center. I also used the rule of third principle. Each part of the story I wanted to tell was split into three sections. The clock being placed where the readers focus on the longest, followed by the child dead center, and then finally the statistics about gender differences in suicides on the bottom. So I hope that the readers will go from the clock to the child to the statistics. Objects that are similar are perceived as a group or pattern. An object can be emphasized to be dissimilar to others. In my infographic, I use color to show this. I used blue to show the one successful suicide, and the pink to show just the attempted suicides, to show that out of every one suicide, there are 25 attempts. So there's a similarity and an anomaly. Finally, I used the principles of the color theory to tell my story. I chose black as my background because I wanted the graphics and the words to pop. So I had to use highly saturated colors. I chose the saturated light blue because blue is a meaning for seriousness as well as health, which suicide is a health topic that is very serious. So I wanted to portray this. I also used pink because pink complements the blue and it is also highly saturated. I only used three colors, black, pink, and blue, because I didn't want to overcrowd the graphics and take away from the meaning. The pink and blue complement each other and it creates a correct contrast to the black. Each of these principles create visually appealing tools to draw the attention of the reader and to portray the story from my statistics. Thank you for listening.